What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over from BTC. Currently sitting at 34.4. I think a short-term top is in. We're now pulling back in the larger wave 4. Down 3% on the day. See market cap 667 billion. 24 volume 19.96 billion. So as we can see here, I think this is a really short wave 5. Now, of course, it could be an ABC correction still going through the micro 4. But if we do pull back deeper, especially if we start to break 33.3, then I would assume that this wave 3 in white is in. So we have the wave 1 to the upside right here, wave 2 pullback, wave 3 pullback, and a wave 4 push up in a wave 5. Now, another reason why I think that wave 3 could be in is if we take a trend-based fib extension from the bottom of the 1 to the top of the 1 to the bottom of the 2, we pushed exactly up to the 1.618 extension, which is the perfect target for a wave 3. So it's very possible that the 3 is in. We're now pulling back in the 4. So we'd be looking for a bounce in between 30.5 and 33.3K for the price of BTC. On the daily time frame, as you can see, we broke through this resistance here of 31K. Now our next major level of resistance is up here in between 37 and 40K. So we pull back in that wave 4, come down to the 20 EMA on the daily, hold that as support or come down to about 32K. You can see a lot of support in this area, resistance here, bounce, and then push up to our next resistance zone. That's what I think the likely scenario is. So this support level here at 32.2K lines up with the target of our yellow box for the wave 4. And then we bounce and we push up in that wave 5 to the next resistance zone in between 37.7 and about 40K. Taking a look at the DXY, oh yeah, so I posted in the DXY potential WXY correction into the wave 4. And as you can see, that's playing out. Right now we're breaking down. If we were to see a larger pullback, then of course this wave count could be finished completing the wave A. We see a larger wave B pullback, and that would give the opportunity for Bitcoin to break out. But I think it's likely that we may hold the support of this channel and bounce. And once we bounce and push up in the wave 5, that's going to give Bitcoin the opportunity to see that pullback. And then once we complete the wave A and we see that large wave B pullback, that's when you're going to see Bitcoin start to take off to our next resistance zone. That's what I think is likely. We'll have to see how everything plays out. But right now we're targeting in between 30.5 and 33.3 for the next bounce. We absolutely crushed it on Solana, as you can see right here. Over 100% on that trade. My signals are $10 a month. Firstly, sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN for my US and Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. Anyone around the world who wants an exchange, no KYC, no VPN. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into the futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. And if you deposit $100, that's $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. My signals are $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. You get daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news. Members like to post their profits, as you can see here. Crush it on the gala calls. And sometimes they do their own trades, shorted Solana. We did mention in the video as well in the Discord that Solana could turn around at any time. Made a nice short trade there. Mahara all plays in Forex signals and Forex analysis, killing it on US oil. Looking to get into silver and gold, all for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. You spend $10 every single day. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.